Stick around as we mount and provide power over Ethernet to some BoxIT Design solutions.
In this video, we're going to show you how to install a BoxIT Design premium enclosure for your iPad mini. Let's start by listing out the parts you'll need. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools you'll need to get the job done. We used the Apple USB-C to Lightning cable, our GAT USB-C Rev 2 PoE splitter, and the GAT in-wall mount to mount the PoE adapter. Of course, you don't want to forget your iPad mini. You'll also need some drywall anchors or screws. About a 1/4 inch should work. For this install, you'll need a bubble level. You can also use an app on your phone, a pencil for marking, a drywall saw or oscillating tool, a screwdriver, or another option is to use a drill with bits. This demo was made assuming the home run cable was already in place. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is find where you want to place the mount on your wall and make sure it's level. This is our GAT IW mount, an in-wall mounting bracket for your PoE adapter. You'll notice Tyler scanned the QR code with the camera on his phone to link to the online manual. This handy little card comes with the in-wall mount so you can know exactly how much to measure for your mounting bracket. Once you confirm it measures up with your tablet enclosure, you can get ready to make the hole. Remember to wear your safety goggles and earplugs to protect yourself. Here you can see Tyler using the oscillating tool to cut the space needed for the mounting bracket. It is important to note that for these mounts, we were using 3/4 inch MDF wood instead of sheetrock, so it was a little bit harder to get through. Now you're ready to mount your bracket. It should fit perfectly within the space you cut out. As you see Tyler doing, you'll want to make sure to tighten both screws on the wall mount to secure it. The splitter we're using to provide power to the tablet is our GAT-USB-C with a USB-C to Lightning cable. Once you have your PoE adapter in place, you can move forward with securing the mount. BoxIT Design enclosures come with their own set of keys that can be used to lock and unlock the mount. This is a nice security feature to know that the iPad can only be removed with the set of keys. There you go! We successfully mounted a BoxIT Design iPad mini enclosure and provided power via PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.